Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring ingredients precisely. This controls texture. Mix 300 g flour, 60 g sugar, 6 g instant yeast, and 4 g salt in a bowl. Pour 180 ml warm milk at 38 degrees 40 degrees and 30 g softened butter. Stir until combined. Once mixed, knead for 8–10 minutes until the dough becomes smooth and slightly elastic. Make sure to work the dough rather than over flour. That keeps the crumb tender. Rest the dough covered for 40–60 minutes until doubled in size. Once the dough has doubled, punch down gently and divide into 12 portions of about 45 g each. You want even pieces for uniform baking. Pre-shape rounds, then flatten each into a disc and place 10–15 g of chocolate filling. Use chopped chocolate or ganache in the center. Pinch and seal the seams tightly so the filling stays inside. Place seam side down on a tray, cover, and proof for 25–30 minutes. Make sure to apply an egg wash just before baking for a shiny crust. You bake the buns at 180 degrees for 12–15 minutes until they turn golden brown. Watch the first batch to set the exact time for your oven. Once out, cool them on a rack for 10 minutes to avoid soggy bottoms, then brush with butter or a chocolate glaze for shine. If you find chocolate leaking during baking, make sure seams were sealed well and reduce final proof by 5–10 minutes next time so the dough is less overstretched. That prevents weak spots and keeps filling intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.